Welcome back everybody to this new video to Express. If you wanted to get started with the Medium and generating your own stuff, well, you are in the right place. Let's get started right away. The first thing to do is to create a Medium account. Now, you need to sign up a free Medium account, so if you go into medium.com and choose the option that says start reading, you wanted to choose the option that says sign up with an email, would it be Facebook or it could be Gmail. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the option that says Gmail, and we are now inside that Medium. Inside the Medium, what you wanted to do is to get started by choosing the upper right corner that says Guide. So as you can see, we are now inside Medium. So before you can start by writing your first story, let me just show you a little bit around. Into the upper side, you can go for the option that says search, so you can explore some topics. So speaking about some topics, you can just check out for specific, for example, life, self-improvement, anxiety elements, work, productivity, marketing, health, and so much more elements. Something else that you can do is to check out the library, where you can just check out all your listing views and stuff that you wanted to just checking out. I have saved list, highlights, and even here I have the profile where you can check out everything about yourself, who are you, and that will be actually it. So if I now get started here from the stories, I can go from the stats, so you can see how many people check out my stories, how many people clicked into the links that I have just generated. I have the views, and I have absolutely all of this. So what I wanted to do now is to get started and generate my actual new element. So I'm going to focus into the upper right corner that says write. Here into write, what you can do is to just start writing. So for example, let's say the title, let's say my first draft. Then you can just start by telling your story. Let's say, for example, hello everybody, this is my first article. Now you can see that we have this plus button right in here. When I select this plus button, I'm going to delete this element. You can add more elements, for example, such as images. You can add splash images, unsplash images. You can add an actual video. You can add an NBeam code. You can add a new code block, or you can add a new part. So new part is going to be changing this element, and it's going to be changing the actual idea. So for example, let's say who. Okay, now I finished with my first story. I have finished with my ultimate YouTube strategy in the 2020, let's say 5th, right? So I finished with this element. Now what I need to do. So the next thing to do is to publish my article. So here I'm going to hit into the option that says save and publish. Really important to publish your element. Now once I have finished with this element, I'm going to just scroll down, check out how it actually looks. If I want to, I can add more images. For example, let's say that I wanted to add something a little bit interesting to make my story much more engaging. So for this, let's say that I go for these 3 dots. I have to edit the story, pin the story to my profile, story settings, story stats. Let's go for story settings. Here's the story preview, the author, the partner programs, the reader interests, the CEO title, let's say by text 3. Actually, this one works for me. The promotion, the content licensing, the advanced settings. And here, for example, this is my story preview, right? So this actually works for me. I'm gonna just go ahead and head back directly into my stories. Let's say here. Now when you finish with this process, actually the next thing to do is just to start by joining the Medium Partner Program to get paid. Now, if you want to earn money, this is just in case you wanted to earn money, you needed an actual partner program to be joined. So to be eligible, you needed to be a paying Medium member yourself. So and be at least 18 years old, have published at least 1 story in the last 6 months, and be eligible country for payouts. So if you meet these requirements, go to the settings menu into your profile that you can find directly into the upper right corner. Click into it and focus into this element that says apply to the partner program. It says people who are interested in helping us fulfilling our mission of depending the collective wisdom of the world through expression and whatever. So here are the benefits of all of them. Here's the eligible criteria, and here I hit into the option that says apply now. When you finish, you select the country that you might be now interested to focusing on. Hold for next, and now it says that yes, my bank is located into the country which is eligible, but I have not published into the last 6 months, and I am not currently a Medium member. To become an actual member, just click into it, and the actual payment, it should be a $5 per month, which will be giving you access to read members only stories, support other writers, earn money from your writing, listen to audio narrations, read offline for the Medium application, access to the Mastodon Connect custom domain, and create your own publications. Or you can pay it annually and you can get $50 per year, which I think is going to be really awesome. So this is how, guys, we can actually get started with the actual Medium element. I'm going to hit it back here into the Medium. Just a few practices for successes that you can hear. But the pro tip is to write consistently. So aim to publish at least once a week to stay into the reader's radar. Read, clap for, and comment on the other writer stories into your niche, and submit to publications. This is the single best way to get your work distributed, to build an audience and get the chance to be like boosted, for example, by Medium editors, which can lead to a huge surge into reach. So guys, this is with the steps you're into the way to becoming successful writer into the Medium. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to TechExpress for more tips, tutorials, and tips. And hopefully with all of this information, guys, we can all see you next time. See you guys into the next video.